Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Rohana, pursuing a USN of 1B21 EC076 from Shri Venkateshwar College of Engineering EC Department. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of the evolution of mobile communication technologies. The evolution of communication technology from 0G to 6G. Communication technology are constantly evolving and we have to come a long way since the days of 0G wireless communication. With each new generation, we have seen significant improvements in speed, reliability and functionality. Today, we stand on brink of the next revolution in communication technology, 6G. This new standard promises to be faster, more efficient and more versatile than anything that has come before it. From enabling the autonomous vehicle to powering the Internet of Things, the potential application of 6G are truly staggering. 0G mobile communication technology. Zero G technology. Zero G technology is also known as zero generation technology, refers to the earliest forms of mobile communication. It was introduced in 1980s and was primarily used for voice calls and text messaging. Although it may seem primitive compared to the modern wireless technology, zero G played a crucial role in the development of mobile communication and paved the way for future advancement. The importance of zero technology. Zero G technology laid the foundation for modern wireless communication and paved the way for the development of 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G technologies. It allowed the people to communicate wirelessly for the first time, which revolutionized the way we communicate and stay connected. Without zero-G technology, the mobile devices we rely on today would not exist. Drawbacks of zero technology. Majorly, there are three drawbacks of zero technology: limited coverage, latency, and cost. Limited coverage. One of the biggest drawbacks of zero technology is limited coverage. Since zero G relies on satellite, it can be difficult to maintain a strong signal in certain areas, such as indoors or in remote location. This can lead to dropped calls, slow data speed, and other connective issues. Latency. Another drawback of zero G technology is latency, or the delay between sending and receiving the data. Since the signals have to travel from Earth to a satellite and back again, there can be a noticeable delay in the communication. This is especially problematic for an application that requires a real-time data, such as video conference or online gaming. Cost. Zero technology can be expensive to implement and maintain. Building and launching the satellites is costly endeavor, and there are ongoing expenses associated with keeping them in orbit and function properly. These costs can be passed on to the consumers, making zero G technology less accessible to those who can't afford it. Okay, now let us learn about the 1G mobile communication technology. 1G and the birth of mobile phones. Basically, the birth of mobile phone took place at the first generation of mobile communication. The people began to use the mobile phones during the first generation of computer. So let's study about the 1G. 1G network, the first generation 1G of mobile phones refers to the analog cellular network that was introduced in 1980s. This network allowed for voice calls to be made wireless but had limited coverage and capacity. The birth of mobile phones. The birth of mobile phones can be traced back to development of the first portable radio transceiver in 1940s. However, it was not until 1970s that the technology had advanced enough to allow for the creation of the first true mobile phones, the motor direct tag. The 1G network was a significant step forward in the development of mobile phones as it allowed for widespread adoption and use. The analog technology used in 1G paved the way for digital network that would follow and lay the foundation for mobile phone industry as we know it today. What were the drawbacks of 1G technology? Limited capacity. 1G technology had a limited capacity, which means it could handle a small number of calls at once. This led to frequently call drops and poor call quality. Security issues. 1G technology was not secure as it not have encrypted calls or data. This made vulnerable to eavesdropping and hacking. Analog signal. 1G technology used analog signal which were susceptible to interface and noise. This resulted in poor call quantity. Yeah, now let us learn about the 2G mobile communication technology. Why 2G mobile communication of technology? Basically, the innovation which took place at the 2G mobile communication technology. 2G mobile communication technology was a significant advancement in the telecommunication industry, enabling the wireless voice and data transmission. The technology was first introduced in 1990s and has since undergone several key development and advancements. The key developments and advancements which took place at 2G mobile communication are: key development means the introduction of digital transmission which improved the call quantity and increased the network capacity, implementation of global system for mobile communication GSM standard which enabled the interoperability between the different network and devices. The advancements: introduction of enhanced data rates for GSM evolution which enable the faster data transfer rates and improve the internet access on the mobile devices. Introduction of higher speed circuit switch data which enable the faster data transmission over the circuit switch networks. The drawbacks of 2G mobile communication technology. 2G technology was introduced in the earlier 1990s. That was the first digital cellular network. While it revolutionized the communication at the time, it has several drawbacks that impact the modern communication. The major drawback of 2G technology was the limited data transmission speed. 2G technology has a maximum data transmission speed of 50 kbps, means kilobyte per second. This limited data transmission speed make it difficult to use the modern communication applications that requires a high speed internet such as video conferencing, streaming and online gaming. The impact which took on the modern communication due to the 2G technology. The limitation of 2G technology have made it obsolete in the modern communication. The need for the faster data transmission speed and the stronger security measures has to lead to the development of 3G, 4G and 5G technologies which we are going to study further. Okay, now let us go into the 3G mobile communication technology. 3G network infrastructure. Basically, the 3G network infrastructure are based on the two contents: global connectivity and economical growth. Global connectivity. The development of 3G network infrastructure has greatly improved the global connectivity, allowing the people to communicate and access the information from virtual anywhere in the world. This had a significant implication for economical growth as business are now able to operate on the global scale and reach the new markets. Secondly, economical growth. The expansion of 3G network infrastructure has also led to increase the investment in the technology and innovation, driving economical growth and job creation in the telecommunication industry. Additional the availability of high-speed internet and the mobile connection has enabled the growth of e-commerce, digital marketing, and other industries that rely on the online communication and transitions. Yeah, now let us jump into the 4G mobile communication technology. What made 4G? The evolution of wireless connectivity from 3G to 4G. What is 4G? 4G or fourth generation is the latest wireless technology for mobile devices that offers the fastest data transfer speed, improved network reliability, and better coverage than its predecessor 3G. It is designed to support a wide range of multimedia applications such as video streaming, online gaming, and social media. The impact on consumer behavior. The introduction of 4G technology has had a significant impact on the consumer behavior, particularly in the terms of how people use their mobile devices. With faster data transfer speed and improved network reliability, The consumers are now able to access and share the information more quickly and easier than ever before. This has led to an increase in the use of multimedia applications such as video streaming and social media, which rely heavily on the fast data transfer speed. Okay, now let us see about the 5G mobile communication technology. 5G versus 4G capability. 5G offers faster download and upload speed, lower latency, and higher spectral efficiency compared to 4G. 5G enables the new applications such as autonomous vehicles, virtual and augmented reality, and smart cities. 4G will continue to be used for several years, especially in the areas where 5G is not yet available or affordable. The challenges in implementing the 5G infrastructure. Regulator batteries, government and regulated bodies may have different standards and requirements for 5G infrastructure, leading to delays and increased costs. Financial constraint. The cost of building and maintaining the 5G infrastructure is high, and some companies may not have the financial resource to invest in it. Okay, now let us jump into the future 6G mobile communication technology. Future 6G technology. Let us basically study the future and benefits of our future 6G technology. Futures: increased data transfer rates up to 1 terabyte per second, lower latency and faster response times, enabling the real-time applications such as remote surgery and autonomous vehicles, improved energy efficiency, reducing the carbon footprints of wireless networks, and the benefits. Benefits: enhance the connectivity and network reliability, enabling the new application and services, improved user experience with a faster download and upload speed, and more seamless streaming of high definition contents. Potential for new innovation and technology such as augmented reality and smart cities. Okay, now let us also learn about the 6G use cases. It is used in Internet of Things. Application 6G could enable even more advanced IoT applications such as smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and precision agriculture. It's also used in remote surgery. With 6G's ultra-fast speed and reliability, remote surgery could become more feasible, allowing the surgeons to operate on patients from a distance with precision and accuracy. Finally, it could be used in virtual reality. 6G could provide the high speed and low latency connectivity needed for the immersive VR experiences such as virtual tourism, education, and gaming. Okay, now let us arrive at the conclusion on the evolution of connectivity. The evolution of connectivity has come across a long way since the introduction of zero-G technology. The advancement in the technology have led to faster and more reliable networks, which have transformed the way we communicate and interact with each other. The introduction of 5G technology has brought a new era of connectivity with faster speeds and lower latency, enabling new applications such as autonomous vehicles and remote surgery. The future of connectivity looks promising with the development of 6G technology, which is expected to be even faster and more efficient than its predecessors. Thanks for watching the video till end. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel.